Hello, guys. Good morning, everybody. Today, I want to show you the new place where we are going to grow tomatoes, and this is the place we are going to grow tomatoes. And you will see that my daughters are not there. They are holidays, and today I'm just want to show you where we are going to grow tomatoes. Okay, let's go. This is the place. You can see water. You are going to do a big walk to remove all water at this place. Yeah, look the place. Look the place. Okay. This is the good place. This is the place where we are going to grow tomatoes. I'm coming from Gabon. Yes, I'm Gabonese, and in my country, the young people, as me, don't like to grow and don't like agriculture. But I like it because this is the only way to make money, to make more money, to make big money. Don't lie. Which don't lie, excuse me, which don't lie, because the ground does not lie. And in the next week, you will see there tomatoes, plants of tomatoes everywhere. Like I told you, tomatoes plant is everywhere. This is tomato. As you can see tomatoes everywhere. Okay. Now you are in our happy garden, our happy tomatoes garden. Look. Okay. Now here. Everywhere you go, everywhere you pose your eyes, you see, very good crop, very good crop. So now you are in our happy garden, happy tomatoes garden, like you can see.